and it is problem on brokerage with respect to for sale of last time we done it for the purchase, isn't it? So today we are going to have it for the sale of the share. That is what we're going to look at here. Alright, so let us go ahead. And today we will look out with the formulas that will be taken for the today's lecture with respect to the sale of the share. So again, the brokerage is always, as you know, that it is calculated on the market price. So the today's first formula that we are going to see will be selling price per share. Last time we had done it for purchase price per share. That the short form was P dot P. Now here it is S dot P. इसमें we have to subtract the brokerage, market price minus brokerage. Last time we had added the brokerage in the case of purchasing the share. So that is the difference between purchasing and selling. When you go for selling, the brokerage has to get subtracted, and when you will be purchasing at that particular time, brokerage will be added. Now with the first formula that is there on the screen by all of you, which is given as selling price per share, the short form of that is S dot P, and it is given as market price minus brokerage. Just take down with this all of you first of all, so that we can have another question. All right. And after that, one more formula we are going to look out, and that is regarding the total sale. Last time it was like total purchase. Now here it will be total sale. How much amount he is going to receive after selling with the share, what he is going to sell. So that is given by SP, that is selling price per share into number of shares. So this is the second formula to be taken, and this is how we are going to get with the total sale value. These are the two basic formulas that will be used for today's lecture. That is how we are going to do with the problem. So I hope by now all of you have taken with the two formulas that are there on the screen. So we move ahead now after this, and we will start with the problem. All right. ये दोनों formula लिख के हो गया है इसको. So let us go with the question and let's see what is the first problem. Question number one, just take down with the question that is there on the screen by now. Shiv Kumar sold some shares at a market price of rupees 120 each, for which he has paid the brokerage of 0.1 percentage, and he is receiving the amount of rupees 47,952 after he sell with the share. So in that case, we need to find out the number of share what he has sold. That is the question to us. Just stick down with the question, and after that we will see what is to be done with this. Just stick down with the question, and let's see after that how the solution has to be worked out. So all of you are taken by now. So let us see the solution how it is to be done. So the first line of the solution is to place with the market price, and that is given to be 120 here. All right. So I'm just highlighting that with the highlighter. So the market price is given to you already in the question itself as 120, and that is what I have written in the solution. The very first line is market price. उसके बाद the total sale, how much amount is going to get back when he is going to sell all the share? There is nothing but rupees 47,952. That is the net amount he is going to receive, which will be known as total sale. And what about the rate of brokerage? The rate of brokerage is given to be 0.1%. So these are the three given data that will be used while we do with the problem, and that is what I actually had written in the solution part first of all. So after you write down the three data that are there within the question, now we will be using with the formula of selling price per share. But before that, you calculate with the brokerage. So brokerage is what? Rate of brokerage divided by 100 into market price. So do with the calculation and let me know with the answer what you people are getting it on your notebook. Alright, just let me know what is the answer in the chat box by all of you. So it is the rate of brokerage कितना है तो 0.1 है तो 0.1 percentage means divide by 100 into how much market price. What is the market price? 120. So what is that going to be? For me, it is what you people are getting it 0.12. Very good, 0.12 ही आ रहा है. So that is what I got with the brokerage, and that is what many students are also getting with that answer. All right, I just erase all of them. You can just check with the answer what I got it here. The brokerage for me also is coming to be 0.12. So once you get with the brokerage, the next step is to obtain with the selling price per share (SP). The selling price per share का फॉर्मूला मैंने पहले ही बताया था. It is given as market price minus brokerage. To do with this calculation and let me know the answer of what you get as the selling price. SP कितना आ रहा है जरा बता दो आंसर. Look in the chat box so we can just make out yes. 119.88. That is what the selling price many of the students are getting. It is perfectly correct here in a way. So for me also it is coming to be 119.88. It's the first formula use कर लिया selling price per share A formula. Now go for the second one B formula. What is that? Total sale. तो उसका formula था SP into number of shares. तो SP कितना है? Total sale कितना है? Total sale is 47952. 47952 is equal to SP is 119.88 multiplied by number of shares. So finally you need to divide it. Divide and let me know what is the answer for the number of shares you are getting it here. Let us wait for the other students what they are getting it and then we can look at it. 400 shares, that is the what the answer you are getting it. Don't add as 400, add down as 400 shares. The appropriate unit has to be provided. What is there in the question? So you can check with my answer also, and that is coming to be division of these two number, and the answer made for me is equal to 400 shares. That is correct. The answer is 400 shares for the first question. Yes. So this is how the problem has to be done when it is with respect to the selling of the share you through the broker, through the brokerage. This is the process to be taken into consideration. So I hope by now all of you are done with this. So we will move ahead with the second question and you people are going to try with this. So let us go on the next slide and let's see what is that. So just stay down with the question number 2 that is given to you as Atul received rupees, 1,07,784 after he sell the shares of the company with the market price of rupees 540, where is giving the brokerage at the rate of 0.2 percentage. So again, in this case, we need to get with the number of shares. So in the first part of the problem, just put down the data that are there within the question so that after that we can utilize all of them within the formula. Write down the data that are there within the question. So the first line will be the market price, and that is given to be rupees 540. Alright. Market price is rupees 540. What is the total sale is going to get received in this will be 1,07,784. That much amount is going to receive after he sells the shares. All right. Next will be the rate of brokerage that is given to the 0.2 percentage. So just calculate the brokerage first of all and let me know what brokerage you got it here. How much is the value of the brokerage when you obtain with the respect to the 0.2 percentage? So many are getting with the answer as 1.08. I think this answer is correct. Yes, you can check on the screen. The answer for me also it is coming to be 1.08. Barabar hai? So after you calculated with the brokerage, the next step is to obtain with the SP that is selling price per share. Just calculate with this and let me know what answer you're getting it for SP for sure. कितना आ रहा है just let me know in the So it is coming as 538.92 rupees. Alright, let us see with Umi. So मुझे भी answer I think it is coming to be 538.92. Alright. Then you use the formula of total sale and substitute the values and obtain the value for the number of shares. So do with that and let me know what is the number of shares you're going to get it. What answer are you getting with the 200 shares? Let us wait for some more time and let's see what other students are getting. So many are getting with the answer 200. Let us see about the other students what they people are making it there. Only few people are able to get with the answer. I don't know what people are doing it for. Just try in the similar manner. I'm sure that you will be actually able to make out the difference. Alright. So good. Let us see what answer I got, and even I am getting here as 200 shares. So the one who are not being actually able to get with the answer, you can just see and refer to the things that is there on the screen. So that wherever you are making with the mistake, you can just rectify it. So I give you with another question now for this, and let us see with this how many are able to make out. So please take down with the question number 3 that is there. The question will be Mehir sold some share at a market price of rupees 300 per share, and the brokerage is given to be 0.1 percentage, and he got with the amount as 1,13,886. Again, you are going to find out with the same manner what is the number of shares. So just go in the same order and let's see how many are going to do with that. So the first of all, you're going to put down with the data that is there on the screen. So this is what it is going to make like. ये सब दिया गया है, that is what we are going to use it here. So the first part is to obtain with the brokerage. What is the brokerage you're getting it here? 0.3. Let us check with that. Yes. Now go with the SP. Let me know what is that. So that is coming for you as 299.7. Correct? Hai? It's perfectly correct. And then you go for the last part where you're going to calculate with the number of share. Let me know with that what answer people are going to make it. So many start working with the answer and they're getting a 380 share. Let's wait and see for the other students what they're getting it for. So 380 shares. Yes, even I think for me also it is coming to be 380 shares. So just check with this, the one who are not been able to get up till now. You can just have it the screenshot and in the next slide we will have it the next three questions that will be where we are going to identify with the market price. You will be given with the number of shares और इसमें हम लोग market price निकालेंगे. So that will be the different problem actually. Same pattern, but the different component we are going to calculate. In the place of number of share, now we will be calculating with the market price in the next three questions. So I hope so like you, all of you understood that how to obtain with the number of share by now. You can have with the screenshot the one who have not completed so that we can go ahead with the next problems and see how the market price has to get calculated. So I hope so like you, all of you are done with this. So we'll just go ahead after this and let's see what is the next question. The next question and question number 4 we are going to look out here. So इसमें हम लोग को market price निकालना है. So we have been given that Ramesh is in person who is having with how many number of shares? 500 number of shares. All right, number of share 500 दिया. Face value is rupees 20. Anyway, face value को use नहीं करना. That is an extra data that is given to us. And the total sale amount they are going to receive is 14,925 after selling all the share. And the rate of brokerage that has been paid to the broker is 0.5 percentage. And we are going to receive with the market price of this share. So that is what the question is here. So again, the very first thing is to put down the data that is there within the question, and later on we will see how it is to be calculated. All right. पहला डेटा देख लो क्या दिया है. But before that we assume market price मालूम नहीं करके हम लोग y ले लेते फिर देखते क्या क्या दिया है. Let the market price of one share is equal to rupees y. We are assuming as we don't know what is the market price, so take as that as rupees y. Face value of one share. देखो face value is given. I just show it to you with the highlighter. Face value is given 20 rupees. That is the first given quantity data in the question that I'm putting in the solution 20 rupees. इसका use नहीं करना anyway, that is not to be used. Number of shares. So how many shares are given to you? It is given as 500 shares. Okay. Total sale. Total sale is given to be rupees 14,925. 14,925. Alright. Rate of brokerage कितना है 0.5 percentage. The rate of brokerage is 0.5 percentage. First of all, we will calculate with the brokerage. So let us see what is the brokerage का calculation. जैसे हमने last question में किया था वैसे ही करेंगे. Let us see what is that. So it is going to be equal to 0.5 divided by 100 into the market price which had we assumed to be Y. So what is that going to be? 0.005Y. That is what I am getting here. Just check with your answer what you are getting at 0.005y. This many are getting with that answer I suppose 0.005y. This is how the calculation will be coming for the brokerage part. I just take out all the ink and then we write down the brokerage. You can see on the screen it is already written as 0.005y. The brokerage मिलने के बाद the next step is to calculate with the selling price per share. So that if you do it here, it will be equal to market price क्या है y. You can take y as 1y. It is not an issue. 1y minus this is 0.005y. So this is how you are going to calculate now. So 1 minus 0.005 you do it on the calculator. Y तो वैसे ही रहेगा. Y will not get changed. Y is in both the components. So that is the reason why we can subtract it. Just subtract the number and then you can put y and after that. So 1 minus 0.005 करेंगे तो कितना आता है? Just write down the answer in the chat box along with y. So 0.995y. When you are writing that the answer is correct, 0.995y. Yes, so that is what you're going to get it. So I just take out and let you know what exactly I got it here. Yes, so it is 0.995y. That is what the selling price per share getting into video. Alright. ये मिलेगा इसके बाद now we will be going for the total sale का formula has to get utilized. So total sale तो already दिया है हम लोग को कितना दिया है 1495. Selling price is also for 0.995y. You can just check total sale दिया है 14925. SP is given to be 0.995y. Number of share कितना दिया है 500. So you need to multiply now. Which two components will be multiplied? This 0.995. इसको अगर हम लोग 500 से multiply करेंगे, then that is going to make us 497.5. That is how we are going to multiply 0.995y into 500. And so finally you can say that y will be equal to what? यहाँ पे y क्या आ जाएगा? Y will be 14925 and that will be divided by 497.5. That is what you are going to do with the division and let me know the answer of it. So कितना आ रहा है 30? I don't know. Let us see because let us wait for some more time and let's check with that. कितना आ रहा है? Are you sure with that? Let us wait for other 2-3 minutes. Yeah, the y has to be the division between 14925 and 497.5. And yes, the answer is coming to be rupees 30. So this is how the solution has to be done when the market price is asked to you and you have been given with the number of share. Earlier what we had done it was like market price was given to you and there we had calculated with the number of share. अब इसको उल्टा कर दिया इसमें number of share दिया है और वहां से हम लोग को market price calculate करना है. Although the procedure is same, procedure वही है but little bit So this is how the problem has to be done when the market price has to be calculated for the sale of the share, including with the brokerage. So I hope like all of you been able to get with the things here in a way. Yes, Krish Gala, what happened to you? You're not able to get it or what? I can't go back now. Remember one thing. So as and when you're not been completed with any of the things, what you're going to have is take with the screenshot, and later on you can just refer to that. अगर नहीं हुआ रहेगा तो it's better to have screenshot. If you're very slow in writing now, the best thing is to have with the screenshot and at the same time you write it also. जितना मिस आउट होगा वो बाद में लिखो, जितना हो पा रहा है उतना लिखना है उसमें. Then only you will be actually able to get with the topic. ऐसा नहीं कि एवरी टाइम यू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट है बाद में के लिखेंगे बाद में कभी लिख ही नहीं पाओगे. इन केस इफ यू मिस आउट सम ऑफ द स्टेप्स यू कैन राइट इट डाउन लेटर ऑन, दैट कैन बी हैपन एवरी टाइम. बट इफ यू थिंक लाइक कि मैं बाद में पूरा लिखूंगा ना तो कभी नहीं लिख पाओगे और लिख भी नहीं पाओगे, बता दो. So let us go with the next question and it will be done exactly in the like question number 4 and let's see how many of you have been able to get with that. So I just give you the question number 5, just check with this. Paresh is a person who is purchasing how many shares? 750 shares, alright. Paresh purchase 750 shares. Face value दिया है 80 rupees. Face value का कुछ भी use नहीं है, याद रखो. Brokerage में nothing is to be done with the face value. It is everything to be done with the market price. फेस वैल्यू का काम केवल डिविडेंड के लिए रहता है, नॉट फॉर द मार्केट प्राइस. He had received rupees 74,475 after selling all the shares and the rate of brokerage this time is given to be 0.7 percentage. So again you are going to identify with the market price of one share. That is the question that has been put up to you and let's see what is to be done with this. Alright, the first thing is to assume. What is that? Let the market price of one share and that is equal to rupees Y. मार्केट प्राइस पता नहीं करके हम लोग एज्यूम करेंगे एंड दैट इज टू बी टेकन एज रुपीस टू बार. So the next line will be to write with the face value. उसका यूज नहीं है बट एनीवे यू राइट डाउन दैट फेस वैल्यू ऑफ वन शेयर इक्वल टू रुपीस 80. What is the number of share given it to you? 750 shares it is. Number of shares is 750. What is the total sale amount you are going to receive after selling the share is 74,475. What about the rate of brokerage? It is given to be 0.7 percentage. तो ये सारे डेटा हम लोग को क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही दिया है. That is what I have just extracted from it, in a proper form and just put down here in the solution with step by step line. इसके बाद we are going to calculate the brokerage. Let me know what is the brokerage you're getting it in the chat box. Let me know with the answer. ब्रोकरेज का आंसर कितना आ रहा है सब लोग को 0.007y. All right, that is what you got it. Let me check with my answer. Yes, it is perfectly correct. I mean brokerage बराबर आया है 0.007y. That is very correct. So after you get with this, we will move ahead and now in the next part we are going to calculate and what will be that? That is nothing but selling price per share. So go with the formula of selling price per share and write down your answer in the chat box. Yes. कितना आ रहा है देखो. Y has to be there. Karuna, you are not. Kavita also miss out with Y component. Many are missing out with the Y component. Y का आगे क्या Y तो रहेगा ही ना, दोनों में Y है. So the answer for this will make us 0.993. Y has to be there. Remember with that 0.993 Y. 1 minus 0.007 करना है. By default, the coefficient of Y is 1. You have to assume with that. And 1 minus 0.007. When you do it on the calculator, you will get the answer as to be 0.993 Y. That is what you're going to get it over there. All right. So that is okay, correct. उसके बाद the next formula will be regarding total sale and you substitute the values in this and do with the calculation. and get with the answer for your. और just write the total sale ये दिया है 74475, SP ये दिया है, number of shares is 750, so you have to multiply this two number. That is what you're going to write down here. 0.993 multiplied by 750 करेंगे तो 744.75 आता है. Finally, you have to divide and get with the y value. Let me check how many of you are able to do it. Once you get the answer, put in the chat box. Yeah, let me start getting the answer and then it's coming to the 100. So as it is a market price, the answer is going to be in rupees, and that is what many of the students are getting with the answer. So Y for me also is going to be rupees 100. Yes, so the answer is correct. It is 100 rupees. The one who have not been able to get it, you can just have the screenshot and later on you can complete the things which you have missed out in this way. जिनका नहीं हुआ है वो ये क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन देख लो और स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका, so that कि आप बाद में लिख सकते हो इसको as and when you are free for it, So I assume that many of you have got with the answer, and the one who are not been able to get it will be completing after the lecture. Yeah. All right. So one last question I'm giving you as a homework. You can just take with that and let me know the answer by the next time so that we can cross check whether it is correct or not. एक last question दे रहा हूँ, इसको तुम लोग को करना है घर पे. A person sold 400 share at ₹55 each, paying 0.5 percentage brokerage. What is the net amount to sold by him? The market price is also given to you. The number of share is also given it to you. And the rate of brokerage भी दिया. इसमें total sale पूछा है. What is the net amount means what is the total sale? So you will go in the same manner. First of all you will write down the given data. उसके बाद you will calculate the brokerage first of all. Brokerage calculate करने के बाद क्या calculate करोगे? SP selling price per share. और बाद में last वाले formula में total sale का calculation करना है. The left hand side is not given for the last part here. So that is what you're going to take as a homework, and this will be done by you all. And let me know what the answer is there of this. If you want, I can give you the answer of this. So later on, you can just cross check, and if it is coming correct, that means it will be all right.
Yes, sir. Give answer.
I'll just let you know with the answer of this. इसका आंसर बता देता हूँ, so you can just take it down. Everyone is taken with the question. Question लिख के हो गया सबका, so I can
Yes, sir.
stop share and let you know what is the answer of this particular question. So I assume that all of you are taken with this question, and I just stop sharing my screen with you all, and after that I will let you know what is the